Is the vegan diet actually healthy or just hype? Studies show a plant-based diet can lower your risk of chronic disease by up to 30%. But is going vegan really the healthiest choice for you? Let's break it down. A vegan diet is all about plants, fruits, veggies, grains, nuts, legumes. You're in. But animal products? They're out. Don't worry. There are plenty of tasty plant-based swaps. Research shows vegans have lower risks of heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. One study by the American Heart Association found vegans had a 75% lower risk of high blood pressure. But be careful. A vegan diet may miss out on nutrients like B12, iron, and omega-3s. That's why the CDC and NIH recommend certain supplements to stay balanced. Don't stress about protein. Lentils, tofu, quinoa, and even peanut butter pack a punch. Most adults need about 50 grams a day. It's totally doable. When done right, a vegan diet supports your energy, heart health, and even helps the planet. Just keep it balanced, and you're golden. Thinking of going vegan? Drop your questions below and hit that subscribe button.